Oh my goodness gracious. I actually blacked out. Nice, like warm, cozy. Honestly, it was crazy in there. I was going as fast as I could. Lunch pail action. Okay, I think that's good. Hello guys, welcome to the channel and welcome to our 10th annual Black Friday haul. First of all, I don't think I've ever done anything in my life for 10 consecutive years. Now, all I did was go shopping and I'm doing a haul, so I don't know how proud I should be. And second of all, I think that I might be the actual last lifestyle YouTuber to still be doing these hauls, but I just love the tradition of shopping after Thanksgiving and just getting some Christmas gifts in order, getting some things, you know, treating myself a little bit. So I am back for the 10th time this year to share with you guys what I got on Black Friday. Now, if you guys did not know, I do have a vlog channel, which will be linked down below, Rem Life. I am doing Vlogmas for the 9th year this year. I am feeling old, you guys. But in case you don't know what Vlogmas is, I vlog every single day on my vlog channel from December 1st to December 25th. So it's gonna be a fun time. Go check it out. And I am doing some fun little extra surprise things this year. So I might have bought some stuff today for those surprises. Normally in the past, we would go Black Friday shopping after Thanksgiving on Thanksgiving night. But this year we went early this morning. I woke up at 5 a.m. and we got to the mall. We did our shopping. I just got home. It is 12:45 p.m. and we are going to get this video up for you guys today. So I'm drinking a Celsius. I'm trying to have some energy. Also, one more time, don't forget to check out my vlog channel. Go subscribe. I promise, of all years especially, you're gonna want to be subscribed for this one. So let's get into it. We're just gonna go out of order. I'm just gonna grab bags and share things. First up, I went to Steve Madden, which every year for Black Friday, I go to Steve Madden because they have pretty good deals. In general, the Black Friday deals this year were a little bit bleak, and I know obviously so many sales started earlier this year, and also like Cyber Monday sales are amazing, but I just love going to an actual mall. This is like one of the very few times I actually go to the mall during the year, because normally I am an online shopping girly, but I love going to Steve Madden because they usually have good sales, and I believe everything in the store was, I think 30% off, I wanna say, and sometimes their shoes can get pretty expensive. So I found this pair here, which I thought were so cute and just screamed holiday party to me and just holiday in general. So I picked these up. They absolutely just scream my name, and there is a hair that is not mine on them. How stunning are these? These are like my perfect shoe. It's just like an open toe, black satin platform with a little silver bow right here. They remind me of the Mac and Mac heels, which are like obviously $1,200 or so, but these I think are cuter. I like the like little slender taperedness of the heel. They were like 1/15 of the price. So love them. I think they're so cute. I can't wait to wear them for all holiday parties and like, you know, whenever I need to wear a cute shoe. Next up, we went to Abercrombie, which I'm gonna be honest, I have not bought a ton of things from Abercrombie in my life. I always wanted to be an Abercrombie kid, but between having a school uniform for a couple years and also none of the clothes back then fitting me, Abercrombie is new for me, and I really do like the quality of their things. I think that they've come up with so many amazing pieces, and I'm appreciative of how much they've extended their sizing and everything. I will say though, their pieces are insanely expensive when they are regular price, so when there is a sale, I love to hop on those. And I really need new sweaters. I have so many sweatshirts and hoodies and things, but I don't have many actual like sweaters for when it's cold outside or if I'm traveling and I need just like an actual like sweater, like a nice sweater. So I took advantage of the sale. Everything in the sale was 30% off, and I got myself some sweaters. First up, I got this one here, which I thought was so pretty. It's just like a light pale blue grayish color, and it's a really nice thick knit, not too thick, but not too thin. The quality feels really, really nice. It's cropped. To me, this is just like the perfect sweater, and the neckline is very similar to the one that I'm wearing right now, which I really like these necklines. So not a big turtleneck girly, but I love like is this a mock neck? Is this called a mock neck?
It looks like a turtleneck.
We're not sure, but maybe mock neck. Oh my gosh, and then I saw this one, which I thought was so adorable. They had it in so many different colors, but I just got the black because I figured I'd wear this one the most. I go crazy for a quarter zip, and I loved this one here. If you can see, the texture of the cable knit is really nice. It's just a regular length cable knit sweater, but with a quarter zip. It's weighted, it feels really nice, and again, it was on a good sale, so I can guarantee I'm going to wear this a ton. This is so easy to throw on, dress it up, dress it down. Very excited. Next up, we went to Sephora and I got some amazing things. I got some new things. I got some things that I needed to replenish. First up, I saw this iconic advent calendar. If you guys have not smelled Forever Mood, this is Jackie Ina's candle brand. It is fantastic, and I go batshit for an advent calendar. So I grabbed this because, oh my, I didn't open it up until right now. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Oh my goodness gracious. Ollie, look at this.
It's so
This is amazing. It smells fantastic. They're all laid out like this. To be honest, with an advent calendar, I usually think of like when it's covered and you pull it out of the cardboard. And I cannot wait to just put these all over my house. Oh my God, I can't stop looking at it. This is the most gorgeous thing I've ever seen. So how to pick this up. I think this is so cute and also makes like a great gift for the holiday season, perhaps. Next, I had to support another fellow YouTuber icon, and this is the One Size Glam On and Lock In Setting Spray. If you guys have not tried this, it is insane. It's always sold out, so the fact that they did a holiday set with 2 of them and they had a bunch of them at the mall was fantastic. This will make your makeup not budge all night long. It's actually insane. If you have oily skin like me, get some. Then I got my favorite concealer in another shade. This is the Kosas Revealer Concealer. If you've never tried it, fantastic. Love this stuff. And then I found 2 of my favorite lip gloss from Dior. This is called Glitz. I've had one before in the past. I used almost all of it, and I've been trying to buy one for so long, but they're always sold out online, on Sephora. So the fact that I found 2, I snatched it up real quick. I already have a little gloss on, but it's just like the perfect brownie nude color. So that's what I got. I went to this store called Miniso, which I've never been to before, but I've heard fantastic things, and I love this store. To me, it kind of felt like a Daiso, but with better quality things, I wanna say. Just like a vast variety of everything you could imagine, from like home stuff, stuffed animals, to snacks, to everything, and it was fantastic. So this is what I got. First up, I got this Tupperware set because I'm always eating new Tupperware because I'm always cooking and I always have leftovers, and this is perfect because it's stacked, so I feel like it doesn't take up too much space. I love the color coordination of everything. I just thought it was awesome. Then at the checkout, I found this paper hand soap, which when you know, wow, I match perfectly. You know when you're in a pinch and sometimes like bathrooms don't have soap and you just feel yucky? I thought this was great, and I have hand sanitizer, but there's nothing better than actually washing your hands with soap. It just is like a little portable piece of soap, like almost like a Listerine sheet for your tongue, but soap for your hands. This is grape and it smells absolutely amazing, and I am gonna carry this in my purse at all times. Then I got 2 snacks because I wanted to try them on the video. First, we have salted egg crunchy roll rolled cracker snacks and like a little lunch pail action. This is what they look like. Whoa! It's like a shrimp cracker, a little bit more umami with like a little sweetness. Kind of spicy. I've never tried a flavor like this before, but that is delicious, so good. And then I found my turtle chips that I like from the Korean grocery store. It's a vanilla sweet flavor with cookie crunch topping. If you've never seen these turtle chips, they're a Korean brand. They are so good. They're like layered little chips. It's like the best part of an ice cream cone. Oh my God. These are by far the best ones I've tried yet. Next up, we went to Urban Outfitters, and the deal at this store was buy one, get one half off everything in the store. So not the best deal ever, but they don't often have sales there, so I pounce on that when I can. First up, I got 3 Stanley tumblers. Not for me. Again, check out the vlog channel very soon, but we got 3 of these because I love mine, so mine is right here. This is my emotional support water bottle. I take this everywhere with me. It's the best, so I got a couple because they're so hard to find. And again, pounced when I can. I also got some mugs for something very special as well. Not gonna show you those yet though. And then last but not least, I just got myself this hair clip because I don't have hair clips that are this big, and I've got a lot of extensions taped to my head. So I figured this would be great to just throw all my hair up because right now I don't have a single clip that holds it all up. So grab that. Second to last store, I went to one of my favorite places in the world, Aerie. I love their stuff so much. I feel like the quality is really good. They were having a good sale. I believe everything in the store was 40% off. So I think that was the best sale that I saw overall. And again, I just love their things. First up, I got a sweater because this just screams me and it looks so comfortable and soft. It's a V-neck with a collar. It's just an oversized sweater with the white and the blue piping. I just thought it was so cute, so soft. I can't wait to wear this all season long. It's so soft. And then I've been really wanting some lace bralettes because I had to get rid of all my old ones because I got too small on me, and I haven't replenished them, but I just think lace bralettes are so cute to wear under like a sweater like that, have it kind of peeking through just a little bit. So I got a few there because they really do have my favorite bralettes and the best quality that I've tried. First up, I got this one that's just all black with just a little lacy design. It's got cups built in, super simple. I got that one in black as well as white because I felt like that'll just go with pretty much everything. And then I got one more black one because this style just looked a little bit different and I thought I would try this one as well. This one's a little bit longer and has little like clasps in the front if you can see. So it's kind of more similar to a real bra, but I like all the little strappies going on. I'm very excited to wear these all the time. And last but not least, I love winter accessories, and I saw these and I fell in love, and I figured I would wear these when I go to the mountains to go skiing. I have a few winter trips planned, and also just for like a fun winter photo shoot or something. I love just like earmuffs, I love gloves, I love beanies, pretty much all of the above. And I found these cute little hats, which you might think look ridiculous, and they do, but I just thought they were so adorable. And as a girly born in winter who loves going to the snow, I figured these would be perfect. So I got the black one, and I also got the white one. Woo! Oh, also, if you bought a certain amount of Aerie, they gave you a free little blanket. So I got this adorable little red, green, and white, kind of like wintry themed blanket for free, which I love. And I like that it's all rolled up. I'll probably just keep this in the back of my car and use it when needed because it's so compact. And last but not least, saving the best for last, we have the iconic Bath & Body Works, of course. So their Black Friday deal is always the best. It's buy 3, get 3 free. I use this chance to buy candles because I love their candles so much, but I don't want to pay full price for the candles ever. So I feel like this is the best time. You pretty much get them half off essentially. As we all know, winter candy apple has been and will always be one of my favorite scents. This is my 10th year of being in love with this scent, but I have to admit, I opened this candle at the store this morning and it smells amazing, but I will say, I feel like maybe my scent interest is changing a little bit because as I'm getting older, I just swear like desserts, like I like them a little bit less sweet. I feel like scents, I like them a little bit less sweet. I think it's just a thing with age, which is so upsetting, but I still love the scent of this. I do think it's amazing, but I also think I'm just looking for a little bit less sweet scents now also. So just wanted to share that tidbit, but got the candle because I think it smells amazing still, and I love this so much. But I also wanted to try a few different ones. Last year I would have gotten only winter candy apple. We're just expanding our horizons. I got sweater weather, which is like a nice like warm, cozy. Honestly, it was crazy in there. I was going as fast as I could. Oh, it's like a fresh sage, juniper berry, eucalyptus. So it's a nice kind of like warm, wintry scent. I got 'Tis the Season, another warm, wintry scent. Very like cinnamon forward. I'm gonna burn through these by the end of December. I got a spiced apple toddy, which to me, this just feels like winter candy apple's big sister. I still love anything apple scented, but this one just has like a little bit more clove and like cinnamon mixed with it. Love. This might be my new fave, to be honest. And then I got a fresh balsam because we have a fake tree in the house, so I feel like burning this just makes it feel like you have a little bit more of a real tree, which I love the scent of a real tree. And then again, as I said, be sure to check out the vlog channel. I got some gift sets for things, and I also got a bunch of these little gift boxes as well for that same special reason. So again, just be sure to check it out. All right, guys, that wraps up the 10th annual Black Friday haul for 2022. Truly, this is like one of my favorite traditions. I cannot wait to surprise you guys during Vlogmas over on the vlog channel. And I'm very excited about like my sweaters, my candles, and all the other little mini things that I got in between. But I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!